My name is Shilpa D'sa, and I love to crochet. And as you can see, there is a crochet thread and some doilies and some posters here. Since this is Christmas time, I would like to show you how to make a short coaster which you can use during your Christmas parties in the upcoming season. I hope you'll enjoy it. So this is the first round that is done. The second round we do something called a double crochet. So the initial stitches 3 chains, and then I do 11 double crochets inside this circle. So let me start. This is the first double crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, so this is the second round completed. This was the first 3 chains, which was the first double crochet, and then 11 double crochet makes it 12 double crochet. So now we close this round with the chain slip stitch on the third chain that we made, and the second round is complete. So the beginning front post double crochet is slightly different. This is called, let me show you, this part is called a post, so that's why it's called a front post stitch. So for a double crochet you have to yarn over once, take it from here, and this is your first front post double crochet, and you have 2 chains. Continue with a front post double crochet followed by 2 chains for every double crochet that we made in the earlier round. So front post double crochet, chain 2. Chain 2, and then the first stitch that we made, we make a slip stitch here and just get the thread on the other side, and the third row is complete. We come into this chain space which we did in the previous round, so you do a slip stitch. So now we've come to this space. Now here we are going to do 2 double crochet cluster. So you start, for the beginning you start, this is your first double crochet and this is your second double crochet, and this becomes a 2 double crochet cluster. Then you do 3 chains, and in the same space you do a 2 double crochet cluster. So you yarn over, insert, this is your first half double crochet, so you leave your 2 chains on the needle, again yarn over, pull through 2, and then you pull 2, 3. So this is called a 2 double crochet cluster. We start with 1 chain, and then we do 4 single crochets in this chain 3 space which we had done in the earlier round. So this is the first single crochet. We skip these 2 stitches cluster and we use this stitch double crochet from round 2. So we are going to do a front post triple crochet on this double crochet. So for a triple crochet, 1, 2, 3. So this is a front post triple crochet. Start with the chain 1, and then we do chain 7. This chain 1 will be used in the end to join. So now this is chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we do a front post single crochet on the triple crochet that we made in the earlier round. And here we do a single crochet in each of the 4 single crochets of the earlier round with chain 2 in between. So this is the first single crochet, chain 2, second single crochet, chain 2, third single crochet, chain 2, and then the fourth single crochet, and then again we do a front post single crochet on the next triple crochet. So we alternate between chain 7 and then the front post single crochet, and then single crochet chain 2 in each of the 4 single crochets and front post single crochet. So now we do a chain 7, front post single crochet, and single crochet, chain 2 first, second, third, fourth, and a front post single crochet on the next. So we keep on alternating between chain 7 and single crochets for the entire round till we come to the end of the round. Round 7, we begin with a chain, and in the 7 chain space which we did in the earlier round, we start with 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 2 half double crochets, which is yarn over, insert, pull, and you pull through all 3. So this is a half double crochet. So you do 2 of these. So it's the second half double crochet. You do 1 double crochet. So we had 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. And here we do something called a picot. So you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you slip stitch in the first chain here and make it like a round shape. So this is your picot, and now we continue with a single double crochet, 2 half double crochets, and 2 single crochet. Then in these chain 2 spaces of the earlier round, in this chain space we do a single crochet and chain 2, single crochet and chain 2, single crochet and chain 2.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.